In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your old stories on Facebook. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. Let's dive in. To start, you'll need to open Facebook on your device. Depending on your device, you can find the menu button either in the top right or bottom right corner. Once you've located it, tap on it. After that, scroll down and find the Settings and Privacy section. Expand it, then tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, continue scrolling until you see your information. Alternatively, you can also access your activity log by going back to the menu, selecting See Your Profile, and tapping the three dots next to Edit Profile. From there, tap Activity Log and you'll be directed to the same page. Now that you're in your activity log, you have two ways to view your old stories. First, you can tap on Archive in the top left corner, then select Story Archive to see your past stories. Alternatively, you can tap on Story Activity and then select Archive in the top left. On the Archive page, tap on Story Archive and it will show you all the stories you've posted on Facebook. From here, you can click on any story to view it in a larger format and even interact with it further if you'd like. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to check your old Facebook stories. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.